In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Snowflake account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you can do is simply click on the search bar and type in app.snowflake.com. Press enter. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to the login interface. From here you'll be able to log in to your account. What you have to do is simply enter your account identifier or account URL over here. If you want to find your account identifier, what you have to do is simply visit this link. But if you want to log in by simply providing your username, what you have to do is launch open Gmail. You can see over here I've already opened it. Now what you have to do is simply click on the email provided by Snowflake while you created the account. You'll simply have to open the email with welcome to Snowflake written over here. Now in this email you'll be able to find the username. Also you'll be able to find the dedicated login URL. What you have to do is simply click on this URL. Now after you do that, you'll be redirected to the new tab. You can see over here, from here you'll be able to log in to your account. All you have to do is enter your username and password. Click on the field of username and enter the username over here. If you do not know your username, you can go back to the email. Now over here you'll be able to find the username. Now simply go back to the Snowflake tab and enter the username. Likewise enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the option forgot password and reset the password. After resetting the password, enter the password over here. Now after you enter the credentials, click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be logged into your Snowflake account. So that is how you log in Snowflake account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.